This video will cover a very quick review over 4.1 notes, which actually can be found on Google Classroom. What we talked about on Thursday or Friday, depending on what class you're in, is writing equations of a line in slope-intercept form. And we saw 4 different kinds of examples, and in all of the examples, there were 2 things in common. We needed to find the slope, and we needed to find the y-intercept. Well, the first set of examples gave us the slope and the y-intercept. Then we were given a graph, then ordered pairs, and then function values. So, like I mentioned before, for all of these problems, we need to know what m is, which again is the slope, and we need to know what b is. Once you have these, b is the y-intercept. Once you have these 2 values, you can write your equation of a line. So an example would be, let's say that we found that the slope was -1/2 and b was 5. Then we could write our equation replacing m and b with m with -1/2 and b with 5. Sometimes we forget to write the x. Make sure that you don't do that. Your equation should look like this, where y is by itself, and we have a number in for m, and we have a number in for b. On the homework, in our notes, we wrote all of our equations as y equals. Y equals like -1/2 x plus 5. Notice that in big ideas, it already says y equals. So don't go in and type y equals and then y equals for number 2, for example. This should be 2x plus 9. So don't type y equals 2x plus 9. The y equals is already there. So this should just be 2x, see if I can pull this up here, plus 9. All right, without the 3. Can I delete that? There we go. Okay, so that's what it should look like when you type it in. So please email me if you have any questions, and hopefully I'll see you guys on Tuesday.